Guruan. Ada si bokutim neskata dongde.
The dishwasher
Yeah.
is located in Somalia, right?
Yes, sir.
You gotta kill the power to it, man. We cannot do service in Somalia.
You're sure?
Best Buy facilities in... There are no Best Buy facilities in Africa.
I thought I bought it here. There has to be. Hello?
Yeah, I mean, I'm being punked, right?
I'm sorry?
You are joking with me, right?
No, sir. This is a very serious matter. I'm trying to get my dishwasher fixed. Hang on, let me turn... I'll shut it off. Bear with me. I've got it shutting off.
The dishwasher had to get power from somewhere.
Uh-huh.
So, I mean...
Yeah,
wherever that power comes from, you gotta kill it. I mean,
I have it hooked into the... Sir?
Yeah?
You were asking about something with the dishwasher's power. What are you trying to say?
The dishwasher's power had to be derived from somewhere.
Yeah, it comes from an aircraft APU. I have it welded into the leads.
Is it running on 120 volts?
It's 20. It's 100. No, I'm sorry. It's neither of those. It's 28 volts. It's 1,000 amps.
That's why you can't run that on a dishwasher.
Why is that?
It's exceeding the ability of the dishwasher to handle that power level.
I mean, it sure seemed to run fine. It sure seemed to run fine when I had it on a lower amperage, but when I cranked that puppy up, that thing started sparking.
Yeah, you're shooting too much juice to it there, brother.
What should I do to shut her down? What should I do to shut her down?
Whatever you got it hooked to, you got to cut it loose from that. I mean,
I'll have to unweld the leads.
I would say it's being used in a manner that voids any warranty that you might have had.
No, it's got a warranty. I can ship it back to the States and y'all give me a new one, right?
I cannot speak to that. You said it was hooked up to 1,000 amps. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. 1,000.
That'll void any warranty. I mean, yes, it can't run on that.
That's the only power source we have.
Then you can't use that dishwasher.
Hang on. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yep.
Yeah, the back end of the dishwasher just blew out.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not surprised. You hooked it up to a non...
There's a hole in the wall where it was sitting.
Okay, so yeah, it's a goner, and I would say whatever you had it hooked to voided the warranty. Because I mean, it's got to be acceptable 120 volt, 60 hertz.
That was what it was. Oh, fuck.
I can't help you with this.
It's sparking out the top now.
I can't help it. We're not there. I mean, you got to kill the power to it somehow.
You don't think you could ship a technician over to fix this thing?
Okay, I'm gonna have to let you go. Good
Why?
day to you. Thank you for calling
sir,
Geek Squad.
Sir, I'm being serious. I need some help.
We're not sending somebody to Somalia to repair a dishwasher. We don't do that.
You don't have overseas?
Not in Africa, no.
I'm sorry?
Not in Africa, no, we do not.
Is it because I'm black?
I gotta go. Good day,
Sir, are you being racist? Hello? Dick bag.